Hi. The purpose of this recording is to show how we are going to enter the grades. I have used my class, and these are or may not be the actual grades, but it is for indication purposes. I want you to remember that all the subjects, and you can see that later in English or psychology or any other mathematics, they have folio component and SAT or any, they call it in a different way in different subjects, SAT in general component, skills and assessment task. And for research project, this is the skills and assessment task. What I want you to remember is that this time, and that's the difference, we are going to send the sample either online or in hard copy. The point is that we choose the sample, and that's a major change from last year. So SAYS actually is giving us the opportunity to be fair, professional, ethical, predominantly ethical, and send the best student work so they can verify that we are working or marking at the band level. I want you to remember that we have to send, as always, all the A pluses. And for this purpose, if I have entered something like an A plus, it is ticked automatically by the program. So if, for example, I change this here to a different grade, it is unticked. And still this stays ticked because it is an A plus. On the flip side, I'm changing this. This is unticked now, and this is ticked because it's the same principle. Something very important for us to remember. We need to remember that there is no need for us to choose the first student that comes with a grade. It is on us to choose that. And the principle and the idea or the rationale behind this is that SAYS doesn't know what has happened to the student, may have all the tasks at A level, but on the specific one, he was sick, he has submitted less tasks, and that can impact on the grade. Therefore, we actually are requested to send the task of a student who has submitted all the tasks, and we want a representative sample, the most representative sample at this level. So, I decided, because this student was away for a long time, this is not a representative of a B, standard B plus, and this student has special provisions. For me, therefore, this is my B plus. And as you see, because this is ticked, this one is shaded, so I don't make the mistake to send another sample. Okay, so if I untick this though, this becomes alive, and even this becomes alive. And now I can tick this. This is shaded. So they have done a good work there, changing what A has been done. And what I want you to remember is that automatically the system picks up A pluses and shades the ones we have already ticked for our sampling purposes. Here I have my A, because I need to send samples from all the grade bands, A plus, A minus. And in this case, my A minus is not this, the one I decided to send, rather this one here. And in my case, the choice was made based on I wanted students from different classes to be sent and verify that. So they can see the consistency. I had 4 classes, therefore, these are some, I have samples sent from different classrooms. I need you to remember also that we have to be very consistent in what is B minus and A minus and C minus level. If you don't have a C minus, you need to send the lower grade you have, and you have to send all the other grades in between. Okay. In my case, my very good representative of bness might be so low. I mean, so low in the order. Okay. So when you finish this, I need to fix something because I need to do something else. So when you finish this, you can either export or save the sample. So in this case, I'm just checking quickly that I have corrected whatever I have changed. Correct. So at the end of this, also, if you have some students withdrawn, you see here I can't withdraw the student because it's entered, but if I untick the withdrawn, I need to enter grade, or alternative go and withdraw, and that's the case. So at the end of this, that was there yesterday, last year. So when I finish all these, you have to save first, and then too long there, and then you really need to once you save, let me save. Once you save, you really need to export it to PDF for your records. So it exports like this and downloads, and you can save it. And you can export samples. So when you export samples, I'll open it here. It gives you whatever you have ticked and you need to send. So this is the beauty of the system. So you don't need to identify who you send. You work based on this case, and you then need to send it to the principal's delegate, acknowledging that's an accurate record, yes, and you authorize to enter the results, and that's it. Okay, so you click this, and then you send to principal's delegate, and when it goes there, you receive this, and you're all done. Remember, in the moderation process, you don't need to have a packaging list if the way you have it with external examination work can be. Thank you.